Hey everyone! Today I'll be sharing with you ways that you can organize your kitchen. If you like content like this, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you know when I post a new video. Hello, world's smallest cabinet. In here, I managed to squeeze in my small and medium pans. I am using a holder that I found at Ross. Below, I store my baking pans and my cooling racks. On the bottom here, I'm actually using a paper file organizer. I found this one at Walmart, I believe, and I love it because it fits my pans perfectly. Now for my cutting boards, I'm actually using a napkin holder to hold them up. I love how it holds it together. It makes it so much more better for me to keep them against the wall and out of the way. To free up space in my drawer, I load up this container with my items that I use frequently for cooking by the stove. This container is actually an old cookie jar that I got from TJ Maxx. Now introducing Mrs. Lazy Susan. I love this item. I found it at Costco. It holds everything that I use often, like my oils and my soy sauce and sesame oil, along with my coffee and sugar in the back. I recently found this bamboo utensil organizer on Amazon and I am so in love with it. It's one of my favorite purchases for the kitchen. It doesn't seem like much, but it's great. It actually goes in smaller on both sides if you need it to be smaller, but I expanded mine to the max so I can store more items. I have all my utensils lined up. And I only put out 4 to 5 because we have a small family. And these wooden spoons, my mom laughs that I eat with them, but they're so great. And then I have my sharp items there. I have my rice paddles and my mini tongs in the back. A couple other little gadgets I wanted to share is something as simple as this hook. I utilize the hook for my oven mitts. I love that I can store it on the inside of the cabinet so it's not out in the open, and it's located right next to the oven for easy access. This is a silicone crack filler that I found on Amazon. I don't think it's the prettiest, but it does its job. And I really like that it keeps out all the food particles from falling in between your cabinet and oven. That's all I have for today. Hopefully one of these items may have sparked your interest and you can go out and find it and be inspired to reorganize your kitchen. Until then, please check out my other videos and consider subscribing.